Okay, so in our grammar lessons, we're looking at the suffix ed, what effect it has. So today we're going to talk about what a suffix is and understand how the suffix ed changes a verb tense. So here we go. Right, Jack here wants to tell you some stuff about a suffix. To start off with, do you know what a suffix is? If you do, tell your grown up. And see if you agree with Jack. A suffix is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Suffix ed is added to a specific group of words. These words are called verbs. So what's a verb? Grown-ups, at this point it'd be worth watching the bite-sized link that's on the home learning for week 4 English. When you've done that, you should have a good answer to that question. So resume the video when you're ready. So we now know every sentence needs a verb. Verbs are doing words, i.e. I climb high, and the doing word is there. Are feeling words, I like donuts, and like is the feeling word there. And verbs describe something that is happening, i.e. working. The robot is working. Verbs are also used to help you understand when something takes place, i.e. I climb, I will climb, I climbed. Now each one of those tells you, the verb or verb string, tells you when something's happening. So have a think about when each one of these is happening. I climb, what do you think, year one? It's now, it's happening in the present tense. You could, if you looked out the window, you would see me climbing. I will climb. When's that happening? At some time in the future. So if you looked out tomorrow, you might see that I've promised and I will be climbing. And now the last one, I climbed. That's right, that's before. So yesterday I climbed. It happened in the past tense. Okay, adding the suffix ed. Ed is added to a verb when something has already taken place, something that's happened in the past. And today's challenge is think of something you did yesterday. Write a sentence describing it. Underline the verb. If you've used, and there's an example, an ed, then you've succeeded. If not, think of something else and try again. Keep going until you have an ed sentence. And this is because you're grown-ups. A lot of English verbs are irregular. We're just concentrating on the ones that you can add a straight ed to.